Hello, I am Dylan Ches, and this is
ILC. And welcome to the weather forecast
of ILC. Today is just rain
and more rain
and a lot of rain.
If you love living inside water balloons, today is your lucky day.
It's just rain.
In fact, you don't even have to take showers because you just go outside, bam, you're clean.
Tomorrow is also rain, and then the next day after tomorrow is rain.
But guess what? The next day, it's rain.
You're a genius!
Yo quiero Taco Bell. Now you can get 2 tacos for just 99 cents. Want some?
Well, kids, that is right. Today there is much rain. You could at least see a little thunderstorm coming today.
Maybe.
Well, there's just going to be rain. The day after that, rain. The day after that, rain. Yay!
Yay!
Rain.